Salibonani bantu bakithi isikhathi eside singabonani manje. Sifuna ukufunda indaba zakithi. And bengithi futhi ngokunyamalala kwesikhathi sonke lesibekhangela nje se reviewer sithi abantu bakithi mana likuthanda ukubala lokulalela izindaba. Kodwa ke singabantu bezindaba. Indaba zethu nxa singeke sizixoxe thina. No one will tell our stories. The greatness of a people comes from their ability to tell their stories. Nani ke siyalikhuthaza ukuthi subscribe man, like, follow what we are doing. And njengaba ngangatsho futhi ngathi at times some people are afraid of subscribing, thinking nxa subscribe sithi bhadala imali. Ku-YouTube is for free. Yebo sake sibone ku-Facebook nxa abantu kuthiwa subscribe ukuthi bhadala imali ethile. Ku-YouTube sithi subscribe sithi ukuthi follow. Yes. Ukhona okwangibuza wathi le ndaba wayibhala kutheni. Yebo le ncwadi isisazoyipublisha. Of course vele isivele sikuma copyright already. Indaba le follows indaba lesake sayizwa eyakuthathwa kwamaplaza esake sakwenza njengelizwe. Angifuni ukublame omunye umuntu. Ngifuna ngithi yinto esathatha amaplaza njengelizwe. I-argument yayikhona ngenye imini sasixoxa nsithi njengoba sawathatha amaplaza saphumelela yini naye wathathela amaplaza. Sithethe siwathethe siwenzeni amaplaza. Ukhona omunye umuntu wangithinta emoyeni wami wathi kukhona into lengazange linanzelele. Ukuthi nxa sikhuluma ngezindaba siyasuka sixoxe ngabantu abakhulu abathatha amaplaza laba-own amaplaza. Sikhohle ukuthi phakathi kwakho konke kwakunabantu abaphilayo, ababephila ngamaplaza, ababesebenza emaplazini. Ukuthi amaplaza lathe sehambile. Basala abantu behlupheka. Amaplaza azangaphinda afane futhi. Yebo sathatha amaplaza, abantu sinamaplaza, balamaplaza abathathayo. Kodwa iqiniso liqiniso ukuthi kwahluphekisa abantu abaningi kakhulu. Liyawazi amaplaza bakhona abanye abantu ababebhadala ukuthi babebhadalelwa i-national insurance, bebhadalelwa ngabelungu kumbe ngabanikazi bamaplaza. Liyazi na ukuthi kwakuthi ngama-month end abantu bezisebenza emaplaza zazisuka zigada amabhasi ziyokubulawa ziyejaya shopping. Liyakwazi na ukuthi phakathi kwamaplaza kwakule entertainment industry yayibenefita kakhulu khona phana koBenisi. Ngizwa bethi khona kwakufika amaband ezoshaya abahlabeleli bakithi babefika bashaya kompana komatatazela kugcwala abantu besazi ukuthi abantu basemaplazini bala imali. Kodwa ngokwathatha amaplaza kwayibulala yonke life enaliya. And lokho ngithi ukuthi it is a picture of almost every farm across the country. Farming areas sawubona kuma pictures kuma BBC la ndawo ezijinene. Kwakuchisa izindlu zabantu abahlala abasebenza emaplazini. Sasihluthi nasichise. Yabona linuthuku lwalikhona wana angiphikisani labantu. Bakhona bathatha amaplaza futhi bayalima siyabonga. Kodwa kulapho impilo zabantu zanyamalala zaphela. Indaba yethu ke usivikele bubini siyaqhubeka ngayo. Siyaqhubeka ngayo. Ngicela wonke umuntu sibuyeleni kade se-subscriber bengikhangela ngisi-analyze ukuthi absence lebe sikuyo le. Sabona abantu bakithi manje abafuni manje kulandela isupporteni manje hey bantu. Singathi nxa sibona ezinye izindaba abanye abantu befunda ezabo izindaba abantu bangene bonke bahambe bayilalela. Lapha sikhuthaza abantwana to love stories, love our story. If we are to create a great nation, we have a story to tell. We have a story to tell. We have to unite ngento our story to tell. Ngokunjalo ke ngiyakunxusa labantwana, nxusa abangani, subscribe to this thing. Subscribe, let's listen to the story. Let's follow, there are many stories. And futhi ngicela la kuma comments sikhulumeni. Kunento enye ngiplan ukwenza ngoba abantu bakithi ngibona bebengalaleli, bebengafuni ukusubscribe nokulandela i-channel yethu. Sengibona ukuthi maybe masitshintshe into ingabe only Ndebele stories, but let it be stories from thwakazi izitori ezivela eMandebeleni ezivela esizweni sakithi ngokuya kwesikhathi vela amwayideni ngithi kuze vele singasifundi kuphela ngesindebele ngoba singasifunda ngesindebele kuya-subscribe abantu abangu-5 kuphela ngoba abantu bakithi sibhizi kakhulu ngento eziningi kakhulu Mahlabezulu uyayibona-ke kugcina kusubscribe abantu abangu-5 kodwa singayivula siyifunde ezinye izitori zethu sizosifunda ngesilungu sizifunde ngesilungu ya ziningi ama-manuscript esiyafunda ngesilungu lezinye ama-published works esiyafunda ngesilungu kodwa eziyizitori zakithi maybe siza-attracta many other people who love stories. Angazi ubona njani wena, angazi ubona njani kodwa-ke u-episode 7 watch the screen. So episode 7 is hitting the screen soon. Okwakho wena subscribe lapho and like phezulu lapho. Siyabonga kakhulu. Sihlala sithi be part of making history. Be part of making history. Participate in anything good. Be part of it. Sambeni madoda. Sambeni. Ngikhule ebantwini abaningi kakhulu, mina ngikhulele ewanki. Asambeni ngiyalibiza lana ngithi makama wangu Jani subscribe. Ngoba isiNdebele is widely spoken by abantu abaningi kakhulu. Ngithi sisifundiswe ezikolo, ngizifundise eMnedate koboDampi isiNdebele ngisifundise koboWange district. Ngifundisile ngithi ukuthi besikhona endaweni zokuthatha izindaba akuthathi akukususi wena ebukhoneni bakho. Ziningi izindaba mhlawumbe soyifunda esinambiya khona apha ngenye imini, mhlawumbe soyifunda futhi esitonga khona apha, soyifunda esidombe khona apha, soyifunda esikhala ngakhona apha. Subscribe, let's follow, let's be one. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Episode 7 is coming soon.